A possible second murder trial for Wesley Coonrod has been tentatively set for January 3rd. Coonrod was on trial earlier this month on capital charges of murder, aggravated arson, and child endangering. He was found guilty on charges of child endangering only. The jury was deadlocked on the others. During his sentencing hearing Friday morning, Highland County Common Pleas Court Judge Rocky Koss asked Highland County Prosecutor Jim Grandy if he would pursue a conviction on the charges on which the jury was deadlocked.
Your Honor, I have not made a final decision on that. We are still in discussions concerning that. I am anticipating, however, that we will be asking the court to retry the defendant. Whether or not it's going to be on all the remaining charges or not is not clear at this point in time.
Coonrod was scheduled to be sentenced during this hearing, but his attorneys argued that it be postponed until there is resolution with the other charges.
We feel that Wesley, were we to continue with the sentencing today, would be put in an untenable election and have to choose between his right to remain silent and his right to elocution. It also would, if we had to go forward, the specter of a second trial, I think would compromise our ability to speak freely on his behalf as we would in another sentencing.
It would be the state position that the court can and should sentence the defendant today. He has been convicted by a jury of these two counts, and that as to those particular counts, sentencing should go forward.
Koss sided with the defense.
I would think that the Court of Appeals would rule that if a man has been sentenced to prison, he has a right to appeal, regardless of whether his other charges are disposed of. But then it creates a situation of having simultaneously an appeal going on as well as still pending a retrial on the other charges if that occurs. And that seems to make little or no sense to the court. And the other possibility is if we have a second trial and there is a conviction, then there would probably be an appeal of that. You'd have two appeals pending on the same set of circumstances, which would simply add to the complications and something I think that can be avoided.
In another motion, Coonrod had asked for a change of attorney. Koss did grant that one attorney could step aside and be replaced, but that one needed to remain for continuity.
The court will appoint another attorney to represent him in further proceedings and retrial, and will permit one of the two current counsel to withdraw. That decision